Morning students, again our math class. So already I have discussed all the examples in previous class of 2.2, the applications on linear equations. So now I will solve some problems from exercise 2.2. Exercise chapter 2.2. I will try to solve some problems. So your first question number is, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. So what is the number? So I already told that if one story problem, you can say it's process problem is given, then you first try to make the equations and you first think out which thing you will take as an x. Okay, so according to question, you try to make the equation first, then you can solve it easily. So first here given, if you subtract half from a number, so what is the number you don't know? So what will take? Let the number. So solution, let the number equal to x. So if you subtract half from a number, so you subtract half from this number. So we subtract from x is half, means x minus half. So you subtract half from a number. So x minus half. Again, next, multiply the result by half. What will be the result come? You multiply by half. So it says x minus half. What is the result? So multiply by half with the result, means half into x minus half. So here given x minus half, so multiply by half into the result means half into x minus half, and you get, next is you get 1 by 8. That means according to question, so half multiply x minus half equal to 1 by 8. Understood? So a number, you first subtract half from a number, multiply the result with half, and you get 1 by 8. Now you will solve it easily. So x minus half. So this half will go to right hand side. So here nothing means here multiplication. So 1 by 8 divide 1 by 2. That is 1 by 8 multiplication 2. 2 1 by 2 4 by, it is 1 by 4. So x minus half equal to 1 by 4. X equal to 1 by 4 plus half. Okay. So 4, 1 plus 2, 2 is 3 by. So you solve the equation, you get the that is the answer. So next is question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 cm. The perimeter of a triangle is 2 by 15 cm. So what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides equal to each other. So suppose this is an isosceles triangle. A, B, C. AB is equal to AC. This is isosceles triangle. So given at the base means here base is BC. Okay, base equal to BC. So first ABC and isosceles triangle, where AB equal to AC. and base is BC. Okay. So the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 cm. That is BC equal to 4 by 3 cm. It is 4 by 3 cm. Given, it is given. The perimeter of a triangle. Achha. So this side given, AB equal to AC given. Not given. So let we take X. If AB equal to X, AC also X because AB equal to AC. So let the equal length of the length of the equal sides of the triangle equal to X. So this is X equal, this is also X. Perimeter means total length of 3 sides of a triangle. It is you better you know. So equal sides of 3, suppose perimeter of the triangle is given. How much? The perimeter of the triangle also given, that is 2 by 15 cm. Okay, so you make it improper fraction. 15 4 is 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 cm. Okay, so perimeter means AB plus AC plus BC. Okay, that is 62 by 15 cm. So here question is, what is the length of the either the remaining equal side? You have to find out the length of AB or AC. So 3 sides. So AB equal to X, AC equal to X plus BC equal to given your perimeter. So AB how much? X. AC also X plus BC. BC how much? 4 by 3 cm equal to 62 by 15 cm. That is X how much? 2X equal to 62 by 15 by minus 4 by 3. Here plus means just it will go minus. Okay. So then you minus 15, 3. Your LCM is 15. So 62 minus 3, 5 j 15, 5 4 j 20. That is you minus it. 242 by 15. So it is how much? 2x equal to 42 by 15. So you have to find each distance. So x equal to 42 by 15. Here I will do. X equal to 42 by 15 division 2. That is 42 by 15 into 1 by 2, 2 1 jar, 2 2 2 2 1 jar, 2 3 5 jar 15, 3 7 jar, that is 7 by 5. Okay. So again you do it next person. 5 1 jar, 5 2 by. This is the answer. So each side x means it is 1 2 by 5. It is 1 2 by 5. So if each equal side is 1 2 by 5. Now question number 5. So two numbers are in ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So two numbers. You don't know what are the two numbers, but their ratio is 5:3. Ratio is 5:3. So two numbers are in ratio equal to 5:3. So let two numbers equal to 5x is to 3x. So ratio means it is 5 times 3 times. 5:3 means what? 5 times 3 times. So x, we multiply both numbers by x means it is 5x, that is 3x. So here given, if they differ by 8, differ means difference, subtraction. So this is one number, this is another number. So if they differ 5x minus 3x differ equal to 18. Okay, if they differ by means 5x minus 3x equal to 18. So now you solve 5x minus 3x equal to 2x equal to 18. Very simple problem it is. X equal to 18 by 2. Here multiply means 3 will be divided to 9. It is 9. So x equal to 9. So your one number is 5x, another is 3x. Okay. So therefore one number equal to 5x equal to 9 into 5, it is 45. Okay, 5 9s are, you can do it with 5. If x equal to 9, 5 9 are 45. Another number. Another number equal to 3x. Okay, 3 into 9. They are 45 by 27. If you check their different means you can minus it. 45 minus 27, that is 8, then 1. You get 18 difference. So answer will be 45, 27. If ratio given means you must take 5x or 3x. For any ratio also like this you will multiply by x with the both numbers. The next question, three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So when we try to solve a question, you must not read just like a mail express speedily. So if we read one by one word slowly and try to understand, then we can easily solve the problem. So first line, 3 consecutive integers, 3 consecutive serial numbers. But we don't know what are the numbers. Serial numbers, consecutive means suppose 1, 2, 3 or 3, 4, 5 or 6, 7, 8. So they are called consecutive, means serial numbers. So 3 consecutive numbers are such that when they are taking in increasing order, increasing means serial. First number, then one add, then another one add. So increasing order. So first up to this we take something. Let the first integer x. Suppose increasing order 3 integers we don't know. If first number is x, then next two number is x plus 1, then x plus 2 or 2, then second integer x plus 1, next one, how it is? Suppose 2, 3, 4 means 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, so like this. Then third integer x plus 1 plus 1, that is x plus 2. So increasing order 3 integers, x, x plus x, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So up to this we have that. Then given multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively. So respectively means first integer multiply by 2, second integer multiply by 3, third integer multiply by 4 respectively, serially. So according to question, x is multiplied by 2, that is 2x, x into 2. Then second integer multiplied by 3. So x plus 1 is multiplied by how much? 3. That is x plus 1 into 3. That is how much? 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3. Again, third integer, that is x plus 2, is multiplied by how much? 4. That is x plus 2. Third integer is how much? X plus 2 is multiplied by 4. That is 4x plus 8. 4x, 8. Again, after multiply you get 2x, 3x plus 3, 4x plus 8. Okay, 2x plus 3, then how much? 4x plus 8. So, again given. Next come to hard line. They add up to 74. They add up to 74 means when we add this 3, 2x, 3x plus 3 and 4x plus 8, we get 74. Write down. Add means plus. So 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equal to 70. You solve my equation. 2x, 3x, 4x. How much? 2, 3, 5, 4, 9x. Okay. 9x plus 8 plus 3, 11 equal to 74. So 9x equal to 74 minus 11 equal to 63. Okay. So x equal to 63 by 9, 7. 9, 7 is 60. Okay. So x you got. To your question, find the numbers. So first you get x. So first you get x equal to, your answer is 7, first integer. Second integer is x plus 1, 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Third integer, x plus 2, serial number करवा 8, 7 plus 2, that is 9. 7, 8, 9. So here given 3 consecutive integers in increasing order. So increasing order 7, 8, 9 is your other answers. The next problem, question number 9. So the age of Rahul and Heron are in the ratio 5:7. Rahul and Heron ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. So what are their present years? So first the given solution. First, the age of Rahul, the age of Rahul and Heron are in ratio 5:7. So it is 5 times, it is 7 times. So I say that in ratio means we have to take multiply by both numbers x, that is 5x, 7x. 5x ratio 7x. So again they are given 4 years later. 4 years later means after 4 years. This is their present age. Rahul and Heron's present age is, Rahul's age is 5x, Heron's age is 7x. This is present age. After 4 years means we have to add 4 years will increase in both Rahul and Heron age. Okay. So suppose present is your 14 years or 13 years. After 4 years means 13 plus 4, 17 years. Like this. Here given Rahul's present age 5x, Heron's present age 7x. So after 4 years, after your questions given after 4 years, their age will be equal to 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, because in both Rahul and Heron their age will be increased 4 years. Next line. So later this sum of their age will be 56. So after 4 years, if we add the two ages, then we will get 56 years. So 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. Okay. So 5x, 7x, how much? 12x. 4 plus 8. Okay. Equal to 56 years. So 12x equal to 56 minus 8. Okay. 48. X equal to 48 by 12. 12 4 ja 48. Okay. So x equal to 4. So here question is that what is the present age of both? What are the present age? So first is Rahul equal to 5x. I said this is Rahul, this is Haran. Okay. So Rahul is 5x, that means 5 into x. Here you get 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20 years. Haran equal to 7x. That is 7 into x you get 4. It is 28. Okay. 20 plus 20 and 20. Their age will be 20 and 28. So next, the 10 number question. The number of boys and girls in the class are in ratio 7:5. Okay. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total number? Total class strength means what are the total number of students in the class. So I said number of boys and girls equal to 7:5. I said in ratio means you take 7x is to 5x. So 7x is boys, 5x is girls. Okay. So boys equal to 7x, girls equal to 5x. Okay. So your question is given, that is the number of boys is 8 more than the girls. The boys is 7x. It is 8 more than the girls. That means according to question, so boys are, suppose boys equal to girls plus how much? 8 more than. So number of boys is equal to girls plus 8. Then they both have same strength. So boys equal to 7x, so girls equal to 5x plus 8. Now you will solve the equations. Okay. So very easy. So 7x you bring x to this side means 5x this side. The RHS to LHS, that it will be minus 5x equal to 8. Okay. 7x minus 5x 2x equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. So your question is what is, look this. So here question is what is your total strength of the class. So first find out boys equal to how much? Boys equal to 7x, that is 7 into 4, 28. Girls equal to 5x, 5 into 4, that is 20. Here you get 8 more than the boys are more than 8 given. You got or not? Now total strength. Total. So total means you will add the number of boys with number of girls. So 8, 40. So here it is your answer. Total strength of the class. So I try to solve 10 questions. Some questions skip because same type of question I have already told in previous class. So you try to solve the what numbers I skip today's video. Okay. So next class I will try to solve next problems. So but you also try to solve them. Okay. So this is all about today's class. I hope you could understand the problems. So not very difficult. You just read the questions thoroughly and try to solve.